Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to look at a very simple way to overlay a text in a video. Let's begin by creating a sequence. Let's add a title. Select the title, go to the properties of the text and change the text. Select the text and change the font size to 300 and the thickness to extra bold and click OK. Drag in a video clip onto your project window and drag it onto the timeline. Select the text, go to the Add Video Effect, go to Key and Luma key. Scroll down to the Luma key properties here, and in the invert, check the checker. And you can see that we have already overlaid the text in the video. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching. If you have learned something new from this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you again, and see you all soon.